The topic of this presentation is trying to determine if there is inequity in media coverage regarding men and women's sports. All three of the articles showed that male athletes and large sports figures were shown more on television. TV isn't the only place this happens. In one of the articles, it talked about the number of Instagram posts about males compared to females. The purpose of this is to bring awareness to the lack of coverage of women's sports. The newspaper I chose to use is the New York Times. It's a daily newspaper based in New York City and has a worldwide readership, and is widely regarded as national newspaper of record. It was also founded in 1851 and offers daily print and digital copies. The New York Times offered a set number of stories every day from the digital version of the paper. I reviewed each story and figured out whether it was male or female focused. I then used the cut and paste feature to get a word count to the story, and then counted the pictures in each article. In this first graph, we have the days of the week and the number of articles compared, or males compared to females. In this second graph or chart, we have the word count or article length of male and female articles. The third graph, we have the average photo per article for each article. There are 45 stories across the week in the sports section of the New York Times. 40 were about men and sports, 5 involved women, although 1 was not about sports. There was 1 article about the WNBA champion Chicago Sky, 2 articles about sex abuse charges, 1 article about a female tennis star overcoming mental health issues to win a championship, and 1 article about Vanessa Bryant and Kobe's death. The conclusion that I came to was that women are dramatically underreported in sports, and even when the stories are about women, the stories are shorter with fewer pictures. Articles about women often focus on issues outside of the game themselves, including mental health or scandal. Although there is discussion about equal representation, these findings show that sports is far too similar to issues outside of sports.